Hi, welcome to KP Concept classes. I'm going to explain the topic percentage, which is basic for simple and compound interest topics and come across many more topics of the competitive exams. Now I start this topic from very basic level and gradually develop the concepts so that you can get very efficient knowledge to solve the problems in very efficient manner. If you find this video is useful, then like and share the video and subscribe my channel. And make your valuable suggestions and advices in comment box. Now I am going to start the topic percentage. Welcome to KP Concept classes. Previously I discussed with fractions. Now I am going to explain percentages from very basic concepts. So percentage, here percentage means per every 100. This means, so, and it is denoted by the same percentage symbol. So if we given that x percent means, then the value x is per every 100. And so per 100 means x by 100. It can be expressed as x percent, can be expressed as x by 100. Now we discuss the percentage in terms of comparison of fractions. So now if we comparing x to y, so then it will be converted. So the comparison is converted into percentage. X by y can be multiplied with 100, then it will be converted into fractions. So in the concept, this can be, we understand that for any value given in the problem is converted into percentage, or to get a percentage symbol, then it should be multiplied with the 100. Let's see. So the value of 4 by 5 can be expressed in terms of percentage as 4 by 5 into 100. So 4 by 5 into 100 can be expressed as percentage as 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 5 zeros 0, 4 20s are 80. So that this result can be said that 80%, not simply 80. Previously we discussed how the percentage symbol can be obtained. So now if in any case the percentage symbol is given, then how it will be removed? So it will be removed by dividing that quantity by 100. Then we get the result in terms of original value. So here with the example, this can be understood. The 125 can be expressed in general form as 125 can be expressed in symbols. So 125% equal to 125 by 100. So this will be 25 fours are 25 fives are 5 by 4. So this can be, the result is in terms of fractions 5 by 4, or it can be converted 1, 4 ones are 4, remainder 1, 1 by 4, or 1.25. So this can be expressed without percentage symbol as 5 by 4 as a fraction, or in decimal places value 1.25. Percentages can be expressed in some terms of a fraction. So fractions takes less time to solve a problem than percentages. So here we discuss about 6 equal divisions and 9 equal divisions of percentages. So 16 2 by 3% equal to 1 by 6, and 11 1 by 9 equal to 1 by 9, and 33 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 6, or 1 by 3. 33 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3, and 22 2 by 9% equal to 2 by 9, and 50% is 1 by 2, and 33 1 by 3 is already discussed. Yeah, 1 by 3. So these fractions to be used. The remaining parts of the fractions of the 6 equal and 9 equal divisions are 2 by 3 is equal to 66 2 by 3% and 5 by 6 is 83 1 by 3%. So here 4 by 9 equal to 44 by 4 by 9, 5 by 9 equal to 55 by 5 by 9%, and 2 by 3 equal to 66 2 by 3. Here already we discussed that fraction. And 7 by 9 equal to 77 by 7 by 9, 8 by 9 equal to 88 by 8 by 9. So the last ninth part equal to 100%, here sixth part equal to 100%, so that is equal to 1 equal to always the fraction 1 by 1 equal to 100%. Similarly, the 5 equal divisions is 20% 1 by 5, 40% 2 by 5, 60% 3 by 5, 80% is 4 by 5. So like this we can discuss further more equal divisions of percentage as the 8 equal parts are, so 1 by 8, 12 and a half, 2 by 8 or 1 by 4 is 25%, and 37 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 8, and 50% 1 by 2, and 62 1 by 2% is 5 by 8, 75% treated as 3 by 4, and 87 and a half is treated as 7 by 8. So the divisions must be learned in terms of fractions. This may be that much of not important, but we have to understand we can able to use different types of fractions instead of these complicated percentages. So when we are used the comparison of two numbers by using percentages, then the compared base quantity is treated as 100. Our total quantity is always 100 while we are using percentage for the comparison. Now we learn the another concept. If we are going to be calculate the percentage of one value in terms of another value which is known as second value, let it be. So this second value is called as base for the calculating percentages. So let the A is expressed in terms of percentages comparing with B, then B is called the base for comparing percentage and A is the comparing value. So the percentage in this case is A by B into 100. We see the concept in terms of an example. See here, a student scored 540 marks in the examination with the total marks of 600. The percentage of the student score in the examination is. So in this situation here, if we are observe here, the 600 becomes the base for calculating the percentage. So the value of B is here is 600 and the student score is comparing quantity, it is 540 and it is A. So the percentage of student score is 540 by 600 into 100. So the percentage now is 0, 0 cancel and 0, 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 nines are and 0 for 0. So 90 into 1, so 90 and it is percentage. So the student score in the examination is 90%. Now we start the problems in percentage from very basic level. So come the problem 1. So what percent of 2 by 7 is 1 by 35? Here we are going to be find the percentage of 1 by 35. It is comparing quantity and it is in 2 by 7. This is the basic quantity. So in the problem the total value, the basic value is 2 by 7 and we are going to be find the comparing 1 by 35. So the percentage is comparing quantity by total quantity into 100. So the fraction 1 by A by B equal to B by A. So 1 by 35 into 2 by 7 become as 7 by 2 into 100. So let us 7 ones are 7 fives are 35. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 0 remains as 2 ones are 2 tens are. So what is your answer is 10%. That is 1 by 35 is 10% of the 2 by 7. The second problem is 37% of your number is 900, then 62.5% of the number is. So the mixed fraction 37.5 can be expressed as 2 into 37 is 74 plus 1, 75. For percentage 1 by 100. So 2 into 100, 200. So 37.5% can be expressed 75 by 200, and the 62.5% can be expressed 62 into 2, 124 plus 1, 125. Under the denominator 2 into 100 for the percentage is 100 coming here. So 125 by 200. Here the denominator is equal. So we can compare 75 and 125 directly. And in the problem, the 37.5% given as 900. So 75 by 200 equal to 900. So 75 parts equal to 900. Then one part equal to 900 by 75. So 125 parts means 1 into 125. But that is 900 by 75 into 125. If we simplify this, 25 3s are 25 5s are 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, so zeros come as it is. 5 into 300, 5 3s are 15, so zeros come as it is. 1500 is your answer. This second problem, by using equivalent fractions, can be solved very easily. Here 37.5 is equal to 3 by 8 of your fraction, and 62 and half is 5 by 8. So here the denominator equal, so we can compare this 3 and 5 directly. We also have 3 by 8 equal to 900. So that is this 3 parts equal to 900. This 3 parts equal to 900. So what is the one part? Then one part becomes 900 by 3. So these 3 ones are 300. So one part is 300. Then 5 parts. So the 5 parts will be 5 into 300. So your answer will be 1500. So in this manner you can easily find out the answer. Now we discuss the third problem. The percentage is 3% of 5%. Here the 5% becomes base and 3% is comparing quantity. So the comparing quantity A here is 3% and base is B 5%. So the percentage is A by B into 100. So it is 3% by 5% into 100. Percent and percent get cancelled. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and 5 zeros are. So 3 20s are 60. So the 3% in 5% is 60% is your answer. The fourth problem is, by how much 30% of 80 is greater than 4 by 5 of 25. So we find now 30% of 80. That is 30% means 30 by 100 into 80. So if we cancel this, for 1 0, 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 3 8s are 24. So 30% of 80 is 24. So next we find the 4 by 5 of 25. So 5 1s are 5 5s are. So 4 into 5, it is 20. So the difference between these two numbers is 4. So the answer is 4. That is 30% of 80 is greater than by 4 for 4 by 5 of 25. Now the fifth problem is Hari's income is 20% more than Madhu's income. Then Madhu's income is less than Hari's income by in terms of percentage. So here in the first session, Hari's income is comparing with Madhu's income. So Madhu's income become as base. So it is treated as 100 as we are going comparing in percent. So Hari's income is 20% more means it is 20 points more than Madhu's income. So Hari's income becomes 100 plus 20, 120. So now we are going to find the percentage of 20 in terms of 120. So now Madhu's income is less than by 20 by 120 into 100. So now it can be calculated. 0 0 cancel, 6 1 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So it is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 can be expressed in terms of percentage is 16, 2 by 3% as we discussed already the equivalent fractions. So your answer is 16 2 by 3. Due to time factor, I am going to take the sixth problem as the last problem in this session. So see here what is the sixth problem. A number is increased by 25%. To replace the number into its original value, it should be increased by. So here comparison is going in terms of percentage. So the number is treated as 100. So it is decreased by 25% means it is decreased 25 points. So the number becomes as 100 minus 25 is 75. Now it should be increased 25 to replace into 100. So the 25 in terms of percentage comparing with 75. So the 75 must be increased 25%. So the base is here 75. So the percentage is calculated by 25 by 75 into 100. So 25 1s are 25, 25 3s are 75. So 1 by 3 is the fraction which is equal to 33 1 by 3%. So the decreased number must be increased by 33 1 by 3% to become the original number. So 33 1 by 3 is your answer.